Natural gas last week started the week with a drop. It has achieved the lows at 1.58 but has shown a very good recovery towards 1.9 levels before closing with a drop at around 1.68. Now, what to expect from net gas? Is this the reversal we all were waiting for? Can we say now the gas prices are on the path of a rise, or this was just a trap and a minor retracement and more bears are waiting ahead for it to drop towards 1.5? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading net gas next week? We will see with the help of charts. And towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing you the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Watch this. Do like, share, and comment as well. Do subscribe and press the bell icon such that you can get twice a day updates which I share for net gas. First daily with the Asia and Europe session, and next with the US session. These two updates decides and definitely helps you in your trading decisions. Thus, press the bell icon. Do join the free Telegram channel and do join the channel memberships in order to get the additional benefits. Let's start. Now, look at the monthly charts. First of all, look at the pattern which net gas is delivering as of now. Drop, retracement towards the 20-50 100 period moving average, and then the series of red candles here. See, it took months for it to achieve 3.7 and it has erased almost 60% of the rise here in just 4 months. This is certainly going to remain a red candle. It has started flat and it has continued to trade downside. As also, we have noticed that the preceding candle comes with a bigger wick on the upside, which helped it stay bearish. Also, now one must note that prices are trading with divergence from the moving averages. Thus, in the coming month, there is a possibility of a retracement, but it is very important for us to observe where this monthly candle. Any closure of this candle on the upwards towards $2 levels, you can confirm that it is the bulls are back in gas and possibly we can look at the right. Now, historically, if you see, these were the COVID lows. What we have seen, the lowest prices which net gas has seen in last 15 years, and you can note that 1.5 1.6 that time also was a great support, and now again it is trying to find the support from the same levels. Thus, it is very important for gas to stay above 1.5 levels in order to reverse. Also, we have seen this is the third drop which is got the price closer to the lows here. So this is the third bottom, I can say, is forming as of now. But and also one must note this is the fourth red candle. So I expect it to retrace again, start the retracement journey in the coming month. That is the month of March. Stochastic again back to oversold levels here, which increases the chance of a reversal. The MACD has seen extreme bearishness here. It is not willing to give up as of now. And see, it has dropped below minus 500, though the highs when it has achieved, it was close to plus 1000. So, yes, we have to wait a little more. Let it show signs of conversion and a crossover in order to confirm reversal. RSI is looking downwards as well, again signs of bearishness. Coming to week, you see on the weekly charts, moving averages are trading with divergence. Prices are also divergent from the moving averages, which is right now situated at around 2.5 levels. Next is after a series of red candles, this is the first green candle which we are observing here in gas. Next is, see, the body size is less than half of the complete move, which suggests that the prices are not interested in staying bullish, and that is why we can see closer at around or closer with a drop. Thus, a reversal confirmation in net gas is only confirmed if you see it trading above 1.88 and 1.9 zone. If these two levels are taken, you can consider that the gas prices are reversing. Looking at the body size and the complete move, it suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish or not willing to break past 1.9. That is almost a clear indication. But also one must look at the divergence of the price from the moving average, which certainly calls for it to converge towards at least 20 period moving average. Stochastic is staying oversold, double bottom is formed, and a crossover here can lead to bullishness. MACD. Now, MACD is something which is still trading with divergence and bullish bearishness. See the drop here, retracement, it is crossed over and it is trading with divergence, it is staying bearish. I'll wait for it to cross over and lead to a rise, but right now it is not suggestive of same. RSI hitting the bottom, hitting the oversold levels here. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? See, on the weekly charts, we are looking forward to converge. It has converged towards the 20 period on the daily charts and has reversed. So this is one thing, because the prices were trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period, it has converged. Getting the resistance here, it is trying to reverse. But one must note, see what has happened here. It is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. Look at the symmetry. And those who watch my daily update, I have mentioned it is going to deliver a symmetrical candle with higher lows, higher highs, precisely that. Now, another point to note here, it is still staying in this bullish channel. The recovery towards 1.9 can be expected In the coming week, if you see trading above 1.7, 1.72 zone, we can expect it to move towards 1.8 and then 1.9 levels here as well, or at least lower highs can be expected as it is trying to consolidate here. So possibility of a bullishness exists. Stochastic on the daily charts has gone to overbought levels. It is trying to cool down a bit. But look at, I've shared this again and again, double bottom here on MACD forming a W. I will look forward to for it to complete the W here. It means also it is trading with divergence and bullishness, thus it can continue the upward move from the current levels. RSI has just come out of the oversold levels. Coming to the 4 on the 4-hour charts, you can look at the rise, the retracement, and it is under the retracement as of now. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. A good confirmation of the rise is above 1.76, 1.75, and then 1.8. Yes, this could be a sign that it is willing to give a breakout and a rise can be expected. Else, right now, if you look at the closer of the last candle is important. It is closed at the bottom, which suggests that it can give a gap down opening towards 1.65, 1.62 zone, good support zone, and from those levels a recovery can be expected. Yes, a bearish close is something you should always watch out for because it may lead to a gap down opening. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD, now look at the MACD on the 4-hour charts, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. And if you look at MACD, first wave, second wave, and it can try to hit the bottom before reversing. RSI is looking downwards as well. It is also suggestive of bearishness. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably, trade comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Equip yourself with the tools, the strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably and which can deliver profitable trades to you. So do join the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for any of your queries. You can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And also you can join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. All the links are there in the channel and video description. And if you just want to get the markets related update, information, news, and you are looking for a community of traders, you can visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. You can also schedule a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now with that, let's first talk about the levels. So I will recommend you to buy here at 1.7, 1.72, the nearest resistance, and then 1.76, and after that the critical one is at 1.8. So these are very very nearby, but you cannot avoid this. You have to keep trailing, looking at the bearishness. It can get the resistance and drop again. So this is something you should watch out for. Beyond 1.8 and 1.86, this is going to be the critical level. It needs to break. Staying above 1.86 is where you can confirm that now the bulls are taking over towards 1.9, and breaking beyond 1.9 is stay bullish. This time I will be looking forward to $2 levels, then 2.12, then 2.25, and in fact 2.5 levels in the month of March is possible. Yes, if it stays above 1.8, 1.9 zone, certainly you can say that the bulls will take over. So yes, as long as 1.8 and $2, 1.9, $2 levels are not breached, you should not be treating gas as bullish. There is a possibility of a reversal from these levels, which is exist very very high, and thus you have to be cautious with the buying entries as long as 1.8, 1.9 levels are not breached. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell here at 1.65, but even if you're selling at 1.65, we can expect 1.62 as the first support levels, 1.595 as the next, and then 1.58. If these four levels are breached on the downside, we can look forward to 1.55, and then this time the target is going to be 1.5, which is a near-term lows during the COVID era. Below 1.5, I do not see gas to stay below 1.5, but these are market. It appears the virtually they are willing to take the prices towards zero levels. Thus, as long as 1.5 levels are not breached, do not take gas as bearish. It can possibly bounce back and show a very strong. Now remember, see the numbers look small, but look at the percentage terms. From a drop from 1.68 to 1.5, we are talking about more than 10% drop. Now 10% drop for net gas is hardly anything, but the levels at which it is showing this drop is where you should watch out for. Thus, a drop towards 1.5 is something which I do not see happening. But again, these are markets. You have to stick to the markets and the levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.